Tethys Portal and its dependencies are installed using Conda. There are two flavors of Conda that you can install: Anaconda, which includes many popular scientific packages installed by default, or Miniconda, which is a minimal installation of Conda. For a Tethys Portal production installation, I recommend you install Miniconda to preserve disk space. Navigate to Miniconda's website and locate the Linux installers. Right-click on the link for the Linux 64-bit Python 3.7 installation and copy the link address. Now, in your SSH session, change into the temp directory and use wget to download the installation files that you just copied. Finally, use sh to run the Miniconda installer. Please press Enter to accept the license conditions. Enter Yes to accept. Use the default location. Press Enter to accept. And then decide if you'd like it to initialize the shell environment by automatically activating Conda anytime you log in. For a server installation like this, I usually accept this option by typing yes. Exit your SSH session and then log back in using either PuTTY or the SSH command line client. Notice that the base environment is automatically activated. Now you can install Tethys Platform. Press Yes to accept. Finally, activate the Conda environment and verify that Tethys is installed by running the Tethys command.